Today, we're diving into one of the most advanced autonomous lawn care gadgets on the market, the Yardcare M800plus robotic lawnmower. Packed with AI vision, GPS mapping, and a ton of smart features, this robotic mower promises a hands-free, boundary-free, rain-proof, and obstacle-avoiding mowing experience. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Let's unbox it, break it down, and see if it's truly worth the $899.99 price tag. Unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find the Yardcare M800plus mower unit, a charging station, user manual, additional accessories for DIY installation, power cable and alignment tools. Right out of the box, the sleek industrial black design with turquoise blue detailing catches your eye. The controls are minimal, but smartly placed. A 135-degree wide-angle camera sits prominently on the front for AI vision. Features breakdown 1. AI vision plus GPS tracking combo. The mower features a 135-degree wide-angle camera powered by AI visual recognition, letting it detect flower beds, sidewalks, and other non-grass zones in real time. No need for buried wires or perimeter setups. With built-in GPS, the mower follows intelligent zigzag or U-shaped patterns to cover up to 800 square meters, approximately 8,600 square feet, without overlaps or blind spots. 2. Cutting performance. Supports cutting heights from 2 centimeters to 6 centimeters, perfect for most lawn types. Spot spiral mowing mode for denser patches. Patented U-shaped pathing delivers professional-grade, crisscross-free mowing results. 3. Obstacle detection and avoidance. This mower recognizes 150-plus obstacles, including pets, toys, and furniture using AI, a major plus for families with kids or pets roaming around. 4. Smartphone app control. Use the dedicated app to schedule mowing sessions, 24-hour customization, manually direct the mower, access firmware updates via Smart OTA 5, rain and battery management, rain detection. It automatically returns to the station when it starts raining. Battery smart charging. If charge drops below 20%, it docks itself, charges to 90%, and resumes work seamlessly. 6th, slope climbing design. With 36.4% slope climbing ability, it's ideal even for uneven terrain. This is possible due to a specially designed motor and traction system. Setup, experience. What makes this mower even more appealing is its DIY installation. No wire trenching. Just place the charging base, download the app, and let the mower scan and map your lawn using its onboard vision plus GPS system. It's truly a plug-and-play experience. Conclusion. The Yardcare M800plus is not just another robotic mower, it's a full-fledged smart lawn assistant. No boundary wires, visual object detection, GPS mapping, slope climbing, and auto recharging, all under $900. If you're someone who wants a perfectly manicured lawn without lifting a finger, this is easily one of the best robotic mowers for large lawns in 2025. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.